Istanbul looks magical in photos. The mosques, the food, the history. But many tourists leave the city with one thought: I wish I knew this before I came. Today, we're talking about the things tourists always regret in Istanbul. Not the scary stuff, but the small mistakes that quietly ruin the experience. If you're planning a trip, this video can save you time, money, and stress. Most people arrive in Istanbul with big expectations. They imagine walking freely between Europe and Asia, eating amazing food everywhere, getting lost in history, bazaars, and cafes by the Bosphorus. And honestly, Istanbul can be all of that. But for many first-time visitors, the reality feels confusing, rushed, and more expensive than expected. That's when regret starts. Here are 3 common regrets tourists have in Istanbul. Mistake 1: staying in the wrong area. Many tourists book hotels far from the main sites because they look cheaper online. Later, they realize they spend hours in traffic or rely on taxis for short distances. The city is huge. Location matters more than price. Mistake 2: overpaying for tourist experiences. From restaurants near major attractions to guided tours sold on the street, many visitors pay double or more than locals. The food is average, the experience feels rushed, and the bill is always a surprise. Mistake 3: underestimating how busy Istanbul is. Istanbul is not a slow city. Popular places like Hagia Sophia, the Grand Bazaar, and Galata Tower get extremely crowded, especially midday. Tourists regret not planning timing properly and end up exhausted instead of inspired. Here's what most tourists don't realize. Istanbul rewards planning, not spontaneity. The city isn't difficult, but it doesn't explain itself. Locals know when to go, where to eat, and how to move. Tourists who don't prepare simply follow the crowd and pay the price. Here are 3 simple tips that fix almost all of these regrets. Tip 1: choose location over luxury. Stay in areas like Sultanahmet, Karakoy, or Galata if it's your first time. You'll walk more, stress less, and see more without wasting time. Tip 2: eat where locals eat. Walk 2 or 3 streets away from major attractions. If the menu has photos, pushy staff, and no locals inside, skip it. Small places with simple menus usually have the best food and fair prices. Tip 3: visit popular sites early or late. Go early in the morning or close to closing time. You'll avoid crowds, take better photos, and actually enjoy the place. This alone changes the whole Istanbul experience. If you want to avoid the classic tourist regrets in Istanbul, save this video and watch our other travel guides. Subscribe for honest travel tips. And comment below, what city surprised you the most in a good or bad way? Your next trip can be smarter, not harder.